Alright, that's where it's at.
My hands is so thick.
Don't get you. They
No,
gonna get you.
Dad, chill, bro.
Chill, bro.
Alright, I got it on top of the car.
Nice.
You gonna hear it. Where'd they go?
Dad, Dad! Close it!
Stop screaming. Man, did you just scream like that?
No,
Yes, you did. That sounded like that.
that's danger.
Hold up.
My hands
Hold
is
up.
so thick.
Dad, no.
Hold up. I'm gonna crack it. Hold up. Ah,
Nice.
I keep
did
throwing
it
it on the
again.
car.
You're making me want to take a picture out there. This is crazy.
This is crazy.
Now how we gonna get out?
Look.
We ain't getting out of here live now.
I throw it with my right.
They all over there.
That's crazy. Oh, no, okay. Let's see what they'll do.
They still above you.
Ah! Oh! Roll up! It's not rolling
Dang, man,
up!
you were screaming like a little girl right there, bro. You should have saw your son. He's over there looking like he's over the car.
Alright, well, what's wrong with the car? It wouldn't roll up.
Hey, watch me get out. Y'all scared? Y'all scared?
Man, I ain't getting out.
Y'all
I ain't getting out, bro. Oh.
Oh, man.
12.
Oh,
You're
man.
only 12.
Okay, alright.
Dad, they're right there,
Alright,
bro.
hold up.
I'm a,
Yeah, they out there trying to hop. Alright, hold up.
Dad, stop!
The window's slow for some reason. Alright, there you go. That's crazy. The attack of the birds. Well, I'm gonna throw a bunch and see what happens. Alright.
Throw the whole cup.
Look, Sally fly by the window. Oh!
you and your son.
That was funny.
Oh, they eating out the mud.
Out the mud, they don't care. Look at this right there by there.
Oh.
Alright, there you gonna throw it out the window?
Yeah.
Hold on. No. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw it out the back, out the moon roof. I wonder if they speak. Watch.
No, stop.
Dad.
Stop, Dad.
If one actually come in here, like,
I know we're gonna be through.
You what?
If one came in here.
dang.
We all be getting out the car running?
No, I'll do whatever I can to.
We will call Auntie.
Look,
That's what we're
hanging
gonna
up
do.
out the window.
Call Auntie.
Oh, look. Oh, no, yeah.
Poop in here.
I want to leave.